Are you going to tell Daddy that this is your first sippy cup and you're drinking grape juice and water? Yeah? Your first sippy cup! Doinka doinka doinka, doinka doinka doinka. Nope, here you go. Come here. Lay down. There we go. We'll get a hang of it. Put that in. There you go. You gotta hold it like, you gotta hold the handles. Hold the handle. There you go. You like the sound of that? Are you gonna show Daddy your new strawberry shortcake blanket that we paid 50 cents for from Angie? Okay, we're gonna go now. The UPS man's here. Say bye, Dad. Kisses, mwah.